Hello everybody, today we're gonna talk about how Dobble works. If you don't know what Dobble is, it's this card game thingy that looks like this. And it's a card game. The players each take one card, and put the other stack in the middle. I'll show you. If it's like this, well, you take one card, and the players take one card each, and you put the other stack in the middle, and you try to spot what symbol is in both of them. Every card shares a symbol, and only one symbol, that is. And in this case is the fire. I learned how this works from watching stand-up maths video, and ever since from that video, Matt Parker made this joke about Dobble having minus six players. Now I can't stop thinking about every board game has minus players. Should have minus amounts of player, a negative amounts of players. And anyways, let's get into how this works. Now, let's put the cards over here. And firstly, I'll draw a bit of circles. Well, there's a lot of cards, and one circle I draw is gonna represent one card. There we go, 49 cards, or circles, whatever. Now, we are going to do this. Well, these are the cards, and you see these 7 cards, right? Oh, and there's 49 cards over here, 7 by 7. And, well, firstly, we are going to put the same symbols on all of these cards, the top 7 cards, in a straight line like this. Those are all gonna share a same symbol, and that's also gonna be it for these, and these, and these, and these, and these. Now, well, we have these these cards that have same symbols. Well, yeah, it's like that, and we're also gonna do it like this. I'm gonna use a different color, brown. It's also gonna be like this, like vertical. The ones in a straight line are gonna have the same symbol. They're gonna share a symbol. So like maybe this card and this card, like this. These 7 cards maybe shares a symbol like a teardrop, and these are gonna share a fire, and like that. And these are gonna share something whatever. And also, it's also gonna happen diagonally, like that. I drew the line wrong. It's more like this. Whatever. It's like this. And on the next one, it's gonna be a bit like that. And then one across over here. So it kind of makes a straight line. You know, you see how it goes horizontally one card, and vertically downwards one card. It's like one across like that, and one card down, like so. Basically that connects, and this one also connects with this one, and it goes along like that. Those cards in a straight line, or the line that connects, are gonna share a symbol again, like that. So we currently have used 21 symbols, and Now it's gonna be 2 across, 1 down, so like that. And it's gonna cross over here like that, and again, something like that. Basically, this is gonna keep happening. This line drawing or whatever connecting the cards is gonna happen until this and this connects, and that would again go to that and look a lot like this. Anyways, now we connect all the cards like that, and so now we used 64 symbols. Am I right? No, I am. No, I ain't. 56, I think. Yes. And also, we are gonna have cards that have all the symbols from the horizontal ones. You know, the black lines? So we're gonna have one card that has each of these symbols. And also, we're gonna have another card over here, which is gonna share all these symbols. And the brown lines, the vertical ones. And also the perfectly diagonal one is also, well, this card is also gonna have all the diagonal lined ones. And the 2 across, 1 down, and 3 across, 4 across. I don't have room, so I'll just draw it here. 5 across, 6 across, and 7 across. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, wait a second. Something just ain't right here. I must have counted something twice. And well, we have 8 cards over here, and now also, well, if you see it, each card has 8. Each card has 8 symbols, but these cards only have 7 symbols. They are 1 symbol short. So we're gonna make a new symbol and put it in each of those things. Each of these cards. And then now we have 57 cards, and 57 cards, and because it's all matched, each of these are matched, and this and that, and also that and that, and whatever. Each of them is connected by a line with every other. Well, this one would have a line like that, and each of the card. If you take if you pick any 2 cards in this diagram, maybe they are going to be connected by some line. Well, I didn't finish drawing them all, but whatever, they are going to be connected, which means that they would share a symbol. Oh, and also, if you look at this grid, a square grid, it can describe it as a n squared grid. In this case, the n is 7. 7 multiplied by 7. 7 squared, 49 cards on this grid. And plus 8 more on the side. So, if you call the grid a n squared grid, and call one, whatever you call it, n, the total number of cards become n multiplied by n plus 1 plus 1. And also, the amount of symbols are, if you think about it, it becomes n multiplied by n plus 1 plus 1. So basically, the amount of cards and amount of symbols are the same. But before that, well, I don't know if it's a before. This is right, but the thing is, if you look at the instruction manual thingy, it says there are 55 cards, which is mathematic. If Dobble used this, mathematical theory to make Dobble, it just doesn't work. So why is it 55 cards? Well, the thing is, nobody knows. Well, even from the video I watched on YouTube to learn this thingy, Matt Parker said that that he couldn't find out why that is so. Why there are only 55 cards and 2 cards missing. And in the video, this card and this card was gone, I think. But basically, nobody knows. But the conclusion is they still use the same mathematical theory to make Dobble. And yeah, I think that's about it. Bye.